Thank you for choosing the Heileo electric bike. In this video, we will help you set up your bike and get it ready to ride. Your Heileo will arrive in a well-packed box with a tamper check sticker. If the sticker is tampered with, please contact the Toutche team immediately. Subject to the model you have ordered, you should find these items in the package. Please check if you have received every item in the package. Should there be anything missing, please contact us immediately. Align the marking to the center of the handlebar. Use the Allen keys provided to fit the screws. Insert the quick release skewer as shown. Place the suspension or fork by aligning with the brake disc carefully. Turn the quick release holder and lock it. Adjust the saddle to suit your height. Identify the left and right marking on the pedals. Use the spanner provided to tighten the pedal bolts. Press the button near the LED indicator on the battery to check the charge status. While connecting the charging cable, ensure the markings are aligned. Always take care while fixing the battery not to damage the connecting teeth. The battery may appear tight to slide initially but will settle down with usage. Turn the key anti-clockwise, hold it in that position and push the battery to slide out. The battery can be on the bike or detached for charging. White reflector goes in the front. Red reflector goes to the rear. Fit it on a straight spoke and align it as shown to be secured tightly. Fix the display console on the left side of the handlebar. Align the markings on connectors while connecting the display console cable to its counterpart. Fit the front light to the center of the handlebar, around the stem. Align the markings on connectors while connecting the front light cable to its counterpart. To power the bike on, press and hold the power button on the display console for 2 seconds. The power assist level is on 0 by default. Set the power assist to 1 or more by pressing the plus button to enable the electric power assist. The bike is now ready to ride on pedal assist mode. and in the throttle mode. For safety purposes, the throttle works only after you pedal a couple of times. Press and hold the minus button for 2 seconds to activate the walk assist mode. Your Heileo is now ready to ride. Please make sure you also go through the Heileo owner's manual. Enjoy your Heileo. Safe riding.